Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see CSS class suggestion in Angular component HTML file inside VS Code. So let us start with that, and here you can see I've already started my ID, which is VS Code, and inside this one I have already opened my Angular project. Inside this one you can see the structure, and when we extend this src we have app folder, and inside app folder we have this app.html and CSS file is there, right? So let's say I write some CSS over here. Let's say write a temp and then close this one. Then let's say put color, which is let's say black or white, whatever. Then save this. Now go to the app.html and let's say I create a div class and then close this one, and let's say write here temp. I will not gonna get any suggestions. So this is what we have to fix it. I want here, like whenever I write temp, right, so it should give me the suggestion. So how we can achieve that? So for that, first we have to go to the extension, and here we have to search for HTML CSS and support this one. Then you will see the first one, and you have to install this one. So click on install, and after you will get disable uninstall option. It means that it has been installed successfully. Then you have to go over view and command palette and click on it over here, and then you have to search preferences, and then you have to search open settings and then JSON. So you will get these three options, and you have to go with the first one, which is user, and click on it. And after that, inside this one over here, let's say you have to add here CSS dot style sheets, this one, and in this square bracket you have to just pass that inside src folder which all files basically I want to track and I will to get those files name or CSS which are available. So src slash asterisk and then slash asterisk and then dot and then curly bracket, and then we have to put all the CSS types. So CSS, SCSS and SASS and LESS. So all these types have added it over here. Let's save this and let's close this. And after that we have to just close this particular one ID, and we have to restart our ID over here, and we have started the ID. Now we have to wait for a few seconds to it loads everything, and here we have to just search here temp and then press Control space, so it should load all the suggestions file. So it is the first time it's loading, so it will take few seconds. After that it will be fast. And now you can see the suggestion, right? I'm getting lots of suggestions over here. We'll discuss why we are getting other suggestion also, but here you can see the temp suggestion exists for us. If I press enter, I'm able to see that. Let's make one more CSS over here. Let's make it as QWERTY. And let's save this and let's go back over here, and here I'm going to write here QWERTY, and here you can see automatically I started giving the suggestion. I have to just press enter, and you can see that it get all complete name over there, right? So it means that the suggestion whatever we are expecting, it working as expected. Now we'll talk about the one small problem with this. So basically in Angular, right, every component has its own CSS file. Here you can see, right, HTML, then we have a CSS. If I go inside any other component, let's say this one, we have HTML CSS. So whatever the CSS apply over there, it will be used inside this one, or it will use the style.cs, which is a global CSS, correct? And but in the VS Code, it does not understand this, right? So whenever we type any name inside the like HTML file, like over here, let's say type anything. So let's say I type this one, slider. So in that case, VS Code basically shows all the suggestions from all the component in the project. Basically, it will also give the suggestion from other one. Let's say from the landing.css, we have something. It will also gonna give the suggestion over here, which and in that case, it will not gonna apply in actual time. Okay, whenever it will render the page and all those things. So, and this is not a problem of with Angular. Basically it is just a limitation of the VS Code, because it treats each Angular HTML files like a normal files. Okay, So that's why we have to careful whenever you write any CSS name over here, like it should match with this particular CSS over name, otherwise it will not gonna work. And also if you write here, let's say QRT, and after that save this, and after that you will press control in your keyboard, and then whenever you hover on this, you will click on, you are able to click on it, and it will route you to directly over here. And if multiple names with the same will exist other places, so it will hover and it will show you like this. Let me add it over here, not in this one. Let me add here in other component. I'm going to add this one. So it exists into two places, right? So this time I will press, so I can see that okay, this exists at two places, so it will give suggestion like this. Okay, so in this way basically you can get the suggestions as well as related to CSS, and we also talk about the limitation of this. So this is all about how you can see the CSS class suggestions in Angular component HTML file inside VS Code. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.